Welcome, Dan, and everybody else at Homestead Wildlife Solutions. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how we can beat our competition online, okay? And how we can how we can help out more people, okay? I'm going to start out with your website. There's 3 things. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so remember those 3 things. We'll get through this in a few minutes. This is your website right here. All right, it's okay. You know, you got the stuff that we need. Okay, the phone number and the contact us and some information about what we do. But content is anything that's on your website, even what a photo is saved as. Okay, so I'm gonna save this photo right here, and it should say your business name in the save as area. So we have to fix that. All right, that's the first order of business. We have to save pictures as our business name. All right, on to the second thing. Citations. What is a citation? A citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Okay, now we can put that in any directory like Angie's List, Yelp, what else? Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn. Those are directories. We can put our citations in those. Okay, but we also want to build, because I don't see yours, it would show up right on this right hand corner right here, your Google My Business page. Okay, we need that. That's detrimental, all right, for more businesses to figure out who we are. Okay, and that with that said, let's look up Terminix, because I know they have one. Terminix Pest Control. So Terminix, see right here, there's their citation, business name, address, phone number. Okay, we got to do this right. We want to be in front of as many people as possible, as many customers as we can get. All right, so a lot of people don't know about your website and your business. They don't even know you exist. So we have to make sure that they know we exist. All right, I looked up Pest Control, Brookhaven, New York. All right, one tip: do Google guarantees instead of ads. All right, a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices, and it's just a waste of money at that point. All right, we want to get in front of as many people as possible. Again, Google guarantees are worth the investment. Okay. Third thing, backlinks. Backlinks start. They have a lot to do with the organic section right here, and that's where businesses start. All right, so it's after the directories, after the Google Map Pack, which we have to get you in as well. All right, I don't see you in here. We got to get you in the Google Map Pack. The businesses that are in there get the most calls. All right. What is a backlink? A backlink is simply a website that has an ad to it that sends the customer straight to your website through that ad. So that brings in more traffic, more customers to see your website. Okay. Not all backlinks are created equal. We want backlinks like this, for example, 25 best pest control companies. All right. We don't want to put ads inside of sporting goods websites. We don't want to put them in car websites, nothing like that. So get the right backlinks. That's something that we could do. We could work on together. Okay. This website right here, this is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. All right. These are your numbers. Ahrefs pays Google for these numbers. Okay. You guys don't have any data, which means your website is failing right now. Okay. So you guys are ranking for 9 keywords. I'll speak on those in a minute. You guys aren't bringing anyone to your website. These are monthly numbers. There's no traffic value. All right. Your website isn't worth anything. All right. Nobody knows about it. There's no information on it. 9 referring domains are giving you 23 backlinks. I could tell these backlinks are garbage because they're not helping you. All right. So we got to get the correct backlinks. Okay. Healthy backlinks. I'm going to show you what competitors are doing. Some things they're doing right, some things they're doing wrong. What works for them will work for you. Okay, so we'll make sure we do what they're doing and more. Okay. This is All Care Pest Control. They have an okay website. All right, nothing too extravagant. These are their numbers. Again, they're not doing good numbers. The URL rating on a 100-point scale, they have an 18. That's how much trust that Google has in their website. The domain rating, they have a 0.5 out of 100. That's how much power that Google gives to their website. All right, they have 40 referring domains, giving them 482 backlinks. All right, so again, the backlinks are not helping them because this number is really low. Keywords. Let's talk about keywords. Super important. All right, maybe even more important than the 3 things that I talked with you about today, which is content, citation, and backlinks. What is a keyword? Keyword is anything that anybody looks up on Google. Okay? Groundhog, Long Island, look at that. We could rank for random stuff, but I don't want to say random because then we'll just start ranking for stupid stuff. But we want local backlinks, or I'm sorry, local keywords, and we want our business name in there. All right, the volume number right here, that's how many monthly people search for each keyword. We want to make sure we're in the first position, okay, for as many keywords as we can do, because the more we get, the more eyes will be seeing our website. So, you know, like pest control, Brookhaven, New York, that's one keyword. Pest control in Suffolk County, 30 people search for that monthly. If we're the first rank for that, we're getting all 30 of those customers. So think about what 30, 60, 90 extra customers monthly can do for your business. That will help your business out tremendously, okay? So, and then we can start outsourcing some work. We can start hiring more people. We can start making more money, start helping more people. Okay, speed, but we got to do it the right way. So this is something that business owners need, okay? I'm talking fast, but this is information that you need to hear, okay? Let's show you another competitor real quick. EcoShield. Again, their website is okay. Alright, we like to see more words and explanation about what they do. Alright, so we'll fix up your website. We'll get that going. See, look at their numbers. They're not doing a lot right because this URL rating is so low, at a 5. So they're doing some things right, but some things wrong, okay? We want to make sure we're doing everything right. They have 4.42 thousand backlinks, alright? But again, not every backlink is created equal. It's keeping these numbers low because they're not helping them out. Alright? They're bringing around $204,000 a month with their website. 21,000 people visit their website monthly. And let's take a look at their keywords. See how they're ranking for first for a lot of these? Well, it's their business name, but EcoShield, Let's just see if they're ranking for anything else other than their name. You know, pest control, St. Paul, do bug bombs kill bed bugs? 350 people a month search for that. So think about it. We got to get these keywords the right way, all right? Start ranking for them, and we're going to get more people to your website. Okay, so if we do all these things right, so the 3 things I talked with you about today, content, a citation, and keywords, and backlinks. That's 4 technically, but all this together, we're going to get on the front page of Google. All right, we're going to get your Google My Business set up. Okay, let me know if this video was informative to you. All right, I'm not trying to waste any more of your time or any more of my time because my time is valuable. All right, as a business owner, you are the you are the hero of your business. All right, as a business owner myself, I look at my business as a baby, so I'm going to do whatever it takes to keep that baby breathing. All right, so we want to help as many people as possible. All right, this is the next step. We can do this starting now, starting here. All right, this stuff's super important, and businesses need this today in age. All right, everybody's on their phones. Okay, so we got to do it the right way. We got to get our eyes in front of more people. Word of mouth is not enough these days for business owners to really see super potential. All right, so let me know what you think. All right, I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you for hopping on this almost 10-minute video. All right, super informative. I look forward to hearing from you. We'll talk soon. I appreciate it. Have a good one.